welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I was just kind of chilling in my room here. I'm thinking, I need to film a YouTube video today, but I didn't know what I was gonna film, so that got me thinking, what if I did a video going through my brother's stuff? And I was like, that is a really good idea, but instead of just going through his stuff, it would be the stuff in his backpack, so I would get to go through his entire backpack and see everything he has in there. And I thought that sounded like a great idea. So you know what? We're gonna do it in today's video, going through my brother's backpack. The first step though is to find his backpack. I'm not exactly sure where it's gonna be, but I'm assuming it's in his room somewhere, so let's go look. I gotta be super quiet so he doesn't hear me. I'm almost there. You guys, I got lucky. I don't think he's in here unless he's in. Oh, phew, no one's in there. Okay, I thought he was gonna be in here, but luckily he's not. And now I just have to quickly find his backpack before he realizes I'm in here, because then he might get mad. So I have to quickly find his backpack and then get out of here as fast as I can. I know what his backpack looks like and I'm not seeing it yet. I know it's like black and gray. Oh, there's literally a cheetah back there. Anyways, some Legos. I don't think it's in here, but let's double check. There's like a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. Probably not. Oh, there it is, there it is. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, here we are. His personal backpack. Now I just gotta take it before he gets in here, and hopefully he doesn't notice it's gone. Time to sneak back to my room. Hopefully he doesn't catch me. Yes, you guys, I made it. I got his bag, and I successfully made it all the way back to my room unnoticed. How great was that? And now it's time for the fun part. All right, guys, this is a legendary moment in history. I got my brother's backpack and I'm gonna dig through it. Let's find out what's inside. All right, first things first. What even? Golf balls? Are you serious? Why would you need golf balls in your daily bag? They're literally orange golf balls. Like, what the heck? Okay, that is so random. Next up, we got a video game controller. Really? I mean, what did I expect to find in a boy's backpack? I mean, this is... What? What even game is it for? Like, just a controller alone? I'm already confused. This is strange. Next up, something more slightly normal. Chapstick. I can see a use for that. I always have chapstick or Vaseline in my bag. A protein shake. Except it's empty. Why can't he just throw his trash away? Creating a very interesting pile over here. What is this? This is Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, they're like earplugs. I mean, I kind of understand that just because sometimes I do put earplugs in my bag because you never know if you're gonna need them. I don't know, but that's kind of random. Next up, deodorant. I mean, that's a big stick of deodorant to put in your bag all day, but again, sort of understandable. And what? Are you serious right now? It's Ursula in his backpack. Like, what? Okay, that is a whole new level of weird. I'm a little bit freaked out right now. Okay, that is so weird. I'm gonna have to talk to him about that. Oh, sunflower seeds, but they're David brand. Wow, how funny. I mean, at least he has a snack. You could use a snack in here. Next up is... What? What is this? Hold on. Is it a shower cap? No, it's too small for that. Is it a shoe cover? What? Why would he need a literal shoe cover in his backpack? What? Okay, this is like so weird. There's two? Oh my gosh, okay. No, okay, never mind on that. That is just different. Sunglasses. I mean, yeah, I always have sunglasses in my bag. Ooh, these are actually pretty nice. I like the color. Okay, I like that. We got hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. It does have a cute little cover though. I do like that. Let's check the flavor. Ooh, it's like gingerbread or something. Ooh, it smells like Haunted Mansion. I wish you guys could smell this through the screen. It smells so yummy. Thanks, David, for the hand sanitizer. That smells great. Too bad is I have a hairbrush because I could brush my hair right about now. Phone cable. Okay. I mean, it's wrapped up like super neatly though. How did he even do that? It looks like a little Christmas wreath or something. That is wrapped up so perfectly. I can never get my cords like that. Mine are always so messy. What is this? Oh, it's a light. That kind of blinded me. Why would you need a light though? This is like kind of a crappy flashlight. I mean, I guess if it's a keychain, 24-hour fitness. What? I don't know, that's just strange. I can see how it could maybe be useful, but at the same time, no. What is this? A compass. Okay, it is what, 2023, and you have a compass in your backpack. That is not acceptable. Like, what? What, are you gonna lose track of the time, or what are you gonna, like, need to navigate somewhere and you don't know which way is north? Like, we have Siri and Alexa for a reason. Like, we have GPS. This is so unnecessary, okay? That is not okay. Oh, braces wax. Well, I used to have this all the time in my bag, so I don't blame him for this one, except he doesn't have braces anymore, so why is this still in here? I don't know. The pile is kind of growing over here. There's like a lot of interesting things. And we haven't even gone through the other pockets yet. Oh, this is big. What is this? This is a very big case. A really big thing to carry around in your backpack. Let's find out what it is. Oh, it's headphones. Oh, these are actually like the really good kind of headphones that I like to steal when we're in like a road trip, because these ones are like noise canceling and I don't have any of those, so I would actually consider stealing these. These are good headphones. A screwdriver. I don't even know what to say to that. I'm speechless. What? Oh, no way. For real? Okay, I think it's like one of those all-in-one tools, but I don't really know. A screwdriver. What's next? I think it's like a... What even is that? I actually have no idea what that one is for. And then we have... Can't even get that one out. The other side, I think it has like some kind of knife, like a serrated edge kind of thing. And then you got some more. I can't even get them out though. Oh, ow. Another... Dangerous. Another knife. I can't even get the other ones out, but you get it. Just like pocket knife, except it's missing the keychain. Well, you guys, I had a lot of fun going through my brother's backpack today. There were so many like weird things I would have never expected. And also so many things fit in this small little backpack. You guys definitely tell me in the comments what you thought the weirdest thing in his backpack was and the most normal thing in his backpack. Because I definitely think it was the Ursula thing. That was the weirdest thing. That was so strange. Anyways, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video and subscribe if you're not yet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!